Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use tags here in Microsoft Planner. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Microsoft Planner, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Microsoft Planner, tags are known as labels. So labels helps you categorize tasks with colors and names for easier organization and filtering. And of course, you can assign up to 6 labels per task, and each label can represent a specific category, priority, project phase, or type of work. Now, once you are logged into your account here in Microsoft Planner, I want you to click on the left side panel of your dashboard and hover to My Plans. In the Planner Hub, you see that is a section wherein you can choose the plan that you wanted to work with. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this one right here. All right. Make sure that you are on the grid view, because you're not going to be able to see the tags or the labels. All right. Now, you notice that, for example, I'm going to add many tasks here randomly so you guys can see the difference. All right. On the label, you can add a label here or a tag. All right, you can put a yellow tag, maybe a marigold tag. So these are color coded. All right, orange, maybe something like light green, deep, or maybe say lavender. And last one is going to be like dark gray. So these are going to be the tags. Now, for you to be able to edit the tags, all you're going to do is click that, and you see you have the option to put it something like that. All right, tag. This one is maybe tag 2. Obviously, that's going to be a tag 3, and so on and so forth. All right, so you have all these options. Now, alongside with it, you might want to check the priority. If the tag 1 represents the urgency, like important, the tag 2 represents, tag 3 represents the medium, of course, and so on and so forth. All right. Optionally, again, you can rename all of these during creation to make them more meaningful. Because labels or tags here appears as small colored boxes next to tasks on the planner board, and this allows you to visually identify tasks with specific labels without opening each task, which is very useful if you're working with multiple freelancers or if you're using some of the agendas here with your client. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.